For the functions, f of x equals x squared minus 4x minus 5, and g of x equals x minus 5. Find the following when the value of x is negative 1. Let's start. Writing first the given f of x, which is this 3 terms. X squared minus 4x minus 5. Let us put close and open parentheses. Then g, which is x minus 5. Remove the close and open parentheses so that you can easily combine the alike terms. Let's now combine the alike terms. X squared, there's no other term that have exponent 2. So let's proceed with the next. Negative 4x, then plus x, followed by the 2 constants, which are negative 5 and another negative 5. Okay, x squared, okay, negative 3x, then negative 10. Let's start replacing x with the given negative 1. Okay, we end up with the solution, which is negative 6. Let's proceed with the second problem, the difference of these two functions. Just simply copy the first structure that we have, then just change the positive to negative because we are now on giving the difference of the functions. Remove the close and open parentheses so that we can easily combine the alike terms, just like what we did on the first problem. Since this is negative, make sure that you have distributed this evenly to the two terms. So negative x, so negative times negative, that now becomes positive 5. Okay, then negative 5 plus 5 is automatic. Let's remove that. Eliminate because their difference is 0. The remaining terms here are x squared minus 4x minus x. Of course, that now becomes x squared minus 5x. Then start replacing x with the value of negative 1. So negative 1 squared minus 5 times negative 1. So we have now 1 and plus 5 equals 6. Our next solution is positive 6, which is actually the opposite of the first solution in the first problem. We have negative 6, then positive 6. Let's proceed with the problem number 3. X squared minus 4x minus 5 times x minus 5. Okay, let's get their product. Let me just use this space in getting the product of these factors. I will erase this later once I'm done. Negative 5x plus 4x squared, x cubed, so we have x cubed minus x squared plus 15x plus 25. Okay, let me just copy it. Then I will evaluate later by just simply replacing negative 1 to all of these variables. So x cubed minus x squared plus 15x plus 25. Let me just erase this. Okay, negative 1 cubed minus negative 1 squared plus 15 times negative 1 plus 25. Okay, let me just put the succeeding solution above because there's no space at all below. So when you multiply negative 1 3 times, okay, that's positive 1, then another negative 1. So that's negative 1. Let me erase that. Negative 1, then negative 1, sorry, forgot. Erase negative 1, then negative 1, negative 15, plus 25. So negative 1, then that's negative 1 squared. It's positive, so still negative. Then negative 15 plus 25, meaning I have to subtract 25 by negative 17. So 25 minus 17. We have the 8 as the solution. Next, the F, writing again the given x squared minus 4x minus 5 over x minus 5. In order to simplify this easily, we can factor this out or get their factors. Okay, let's try x minus 5, then x plus 1. Let's verify if the product is the same as this. Negative 5, then x, negative 5x, x squared, so x squared minus 4x minus 5. Oh, it's verified already. So let me erase. Then x minus 5 times x plus 1 over x minus 5. Just simply cancel this out because they are equal to each other. No, it's divisible by each other. X divided by 5 divided by x minus 5 divided by x minus 5, that's 1, or just simply cancel. And the remaining terms is a binomial, which is x plus 1. Then replace x, okay, negative 1 plus 1. Okay. Of course, the solution is 0. Let's proceed with the last number. We have the composition of function as a problem that is given on this last number. Let me rewrite the given function, which was f of x equals x squared minus 4x minus 5. And the g of x equals x minus 5. X squared minus 4x minus 5, replacing x with x minus 5. So let's do it this way. X minus 5 squared minus 4 times x minus 5 minus 5. Then expand x minus 5 times x minus 5. Let's use this space to expand this binomials. X minus 5 times x minus 5, we have positive 25, negative 5x, negative 5x, x squared. X squared minus 10x plus 25. So let's copy x squared minus 10x plus 25. So this is now the product of this x minus 5 squared. Then continue. Distribute negative 4 to this x minus 5. So negative 4 times x, that now becomes negative 4x. The negative 4 times negative 5, that's positive 20, then minus 5. Combine the electrons. Since we only have x squared, just simply copy Then combine the term with the same variables. Negative 10x, then another negative 4x. Then combine all the constants, which are positive 25, positive 20, minus 5. Okay. Let's now simplify. X squared, this now becomes negative 14x. Okay. Plus, okay, 25 plus 20, minus 5. So, 25 let me repeat, 25 plus 20 is 45, then minus 5. Okay. X squared minus 14x plus 45 minus 5, that's 40. Then replace x with the given, okay, when x is negative 1. So let's replace this to all variables. So negative 1 squared minus 14 times negative 1 plus 40. Okay. Negative 1 times negative 1, that's 1. Then negative 14 times negative 1, that's positive 14. Let me repeat. We have 1, then positive 14 plus 40. So let's get their sum. 15 plus 40. Okay, 15 plus 40. The solution is 55. This is now the answer for this last problem, which is about the composition of function.